Hello everyone. Today we will explore the process of mapping a sitemap to a master page in Devum app. This video will demonstrate how to map a sitemap to a master page and customize the color and appearance of the navigational menu of the mapped sitemap in the master page. First, we access the App Studio and select the HR master page that was previously created. Once inside the HR master page, we proceed to the Properties section by clicking on the left panel, positioned on the right side of the viewport. Within the Properties, we find the Select a Sitemap option, offering a choice between two existing sitemaps named HR Management and HR Management 1. Upon selecting the HR Management sitemap, we proceed to change the text color from white to red. Following this, we modify the hover color from blue to beige by selecting the desired color from the color palette. In this way, we can customize the text color, hover font color, background color of our choice while setting the sitemap to the master page. Subsequently, we switch the sitemap to HR Management and make customizations based on our preferences before ultimately publishing the updates. Note that the process of creating the master page has been explained earlier for reference. That was all about mapping a sitemap to master page. Keep watching our channel for more such informative videos on Devum. See you in our next video. Thank you.